Hi, welcome back to my channel, and I've been sent another curiosity box to share with you, so let's take a look. I've noticed that they've changed the box as well. I think it's a really cool design as well. But I sort of feel like I'm in like Deal or No Deal with the little rippy tab. It's like, let's take a look. Oh, it's gonna make it in one. Oh, that's really cool actually. I like that. So, Hi, I'm Poppy and you're watching Poppy Does Science. Oh, I like the inside of this. This is cool, this. Look. I like this bit where it says like brain and oh my god and playing like the periodic table stuff. That's cool. So right, I've got the usual cards. This one's about space. Splendid space. And then another postcard thing. And then another one of these cards about Becky. So, not know. Oh, so she must be doing stuff about black holes and stuff like that. That's cool. Yeah. Right, what's in it? First thing is cool comet fizzers. Your mission: make your comets gassy. What? This looks cool. This. I don't know what it is. Is it like some sort of bath bomb thing? I really don't know. Well, that's an interesting one. I like that. And then you've got all the stickers. And then virtual reality glasses. That's quite cool actually. I like that, yeah. And then marbles planets. What? Your mission: make your very own solar system. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I think that's what this is part of, yeah. They go together then. That's cool. Right. Oh, no. Astro Spud. What's this? Turn a potato into an Astro Spud. What is that? So we've got some cups. Oh, that's part of this. There, the cups go with that. And got one last thing. I think it's like posters. Solar system. Interested. Oh gosh, there's a lot. Whoa. Oh gosh. Oh, so is it? Got one about all the planets and stuff. And then, oh. What's this? This is just black paper. Yeah, that was just black paper holding it together, I think then. And then this one. Our solar system. This is cool. I like this box. It's a very interesting one. But I think I want to do this one because this one looks really cool and interesting. So I'm going to do the cool comet fizzers, and I've read through it and I understand it's just like a bath bomb with some rocks and comets and stuff in it. So I know I need to add all the dry ingredients in first. But it confused us before because it says all of the bicarbonate of soda. And I was like, this whole bag? And then I read it and it says 100 grams. But then the bag is just 100 grams. So it's fine. So it just means all of the bag. There. Oh, gosh. There. And then, oh, the black powder paint. I think that's it all. Now, stir. This looks, oh gosh. This looks nice. This is going to make it very black, I know it. There. Now, add a small amount of oil at a time until you have a mixture resembling slightly wet sand, okay? And a bit of water it says as well. So I'll do that. Oh gosh. I'll add a bit of this oil now. There. I don't know how much. Oh gosh, this is going to take a lot actually. Yeah, that's not working. Oh, gosh, that's fizzing up. It's coming together a bit more. Oh. A lot more oil then. There. This should hopefully work this time. What on earth? This never normally goes right for me. Right, I think I'm just, and it says, now add in like the rocks and stuff. Don't add in too much. Right, so I'm going to just add the rocks and then try and get to a nice amount. There. I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Oh yeah, this has worked better. Yeah, perfect now. So then it says, now mould the mixture into balls like a ping pong ball. But I need it in the tin foil. Yeah, right. Gotta cut it into a bit. Don't know how many this is gonna make. Oh no. Ugh. There, I think I'm just gonna put this in here. Oh, alright, that's fine then. I think I can do this. I'm just gonna make another one. Oh. There. I think my mixture's a bit too wet, but it'll just dry out, I think. Or I hope. There. So I've got my bath bomb, what's it? Cool Comet Fizzers done now. So I'm just going to have to leave these overnight to dry, then I'm going to test them out. Now that I've left it to dry overnight, I'm going to go try it out in my bath now. So I've taken out the tin foil and it looks really weird, like, I don't know, it's like, yeah, oh, there. Right, so I'm just going to drop it in the water and see if that works. Oh yes! I didn't expect it to actually fizz as well. Oh no. Where is it? Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's just got all the rocks in it now. Oh. Oh no, I better get this cleaned up quick. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And all the links for Curiosity Box will be in the description down below. Bye!